Welcome to YP Investors Quick Tips. Today's episode we'll be going over the YP Investors blog. Let's go navigate to YP Investors, and from the home page and any page on our website you'll always see the YP Investors blog tab located at the top of the header for the page. So let's click on that and see what this is all about. So once you get to the blog, you will see a number of articles that will help you on your investments and your investing strategies. To the right, you can search the posts, so you can search for keywords that you're looking for, like investing strategy or options, and it'll display the articles related to that. So let's type in options and see what happens here. So we found a How Stock Options Work article. And if we go back to the main page of the blog, we can go down to the next section on the right, which is selecting articles by category. So again, you'll see there's one stock options article. And if we click on that, it will display all the stock options articles at that time. And YP Investors is constantly adding posts weekly. So you should definitely check this and keep up to date on all these blog posts and articles for new strategies and strategies that you can use to continue to grow your wealth. So YP's quick tip today is to check the blog weekly and look for a new article that you haven't read and try to improve on your investing strategies and your investing knowledge. Thanks for joining us today on YP Quick Tips, and good luck on your investments.